before you attack. Get ready.
I thought you were supposed to be one of the smartest men on the planet, Richards.
I'm You're welcome to disagree if you wish.
I'm scanning your thoughts right now, and not one of them makes the slightest bit of sense.
Reading at one situation and understanding
The battle starts in 5,
totally
4,
different things.
3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
The only thing stronger than my skin is target locked. Here.
I feel like myself again.
I suppose that helps. Every little bit helps.
That fucking hurt!
You're all mine. Help get that vehicle to its destination.
We've been discovered!
I found one of them. Another unsuspecting foe. I suppose that helps.
Don't mind me! I'm just literally! Let's get go! Our enemy has been spotted. Here's the
Almost there. Don't turn back now. You crossed my path!
The winning stretch!
Disappear!
I was fine. Thanks.
The vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
Armor pack's here! Hey up! I feel like myself again.
Time to use it.
put on a show!
I was fine. Thank you.
Targeted for extermination. Disappear!
Unexpected!
The current score is 3-2-0. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on. The right heroes could make all the difference. Round 2, go! Starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You have to stop them from securing the mission area.
I spy some bad guys.
Much better.
I was fine.
Feeling fantastic. We've been discovered.
Topped me off. Thanks.
Disappear!
Feeling fantastic. Problem solved.
Behold the god of thunder!
That vehicle is trapped. Better stop that vehicle!
Topped me off. Thanks.
Feeling fantastic.
Look who's here.
Let the devil out!
You earned it.
Behold the god of thunder!
I won't turn it down. Rest easy, Kevin. You earned it.
Feeling fantastic. A rousing success.
Look who's here.
You stopped them in their tracks.
That's fine. Thank you.
Only 60 seconds left.
Feeling fantastic.
Another unsuspecting foe.
Disappear! Down to 30 seconds.
Phew.
Better stop that vehicle. Way better already.
Let the devil